My name is Emma Herlinger. I'm from Lummi Island, Washington State, so the far corner of the country from here. Community is very important to me, and SOM has not disappointed. It's just full of so many interested and engaged and excited people who are happy to be here. There's just a real spirit of generosity that has been such a gift to be around. Students, faculty, alumni, just the whole community is so willing and eager to share their time and their expertise and just themselves. I'm also in the Women in Management Club, which has been a really fantastic way to etch out a community within the women at SOM. I am a teaching fellow for the Social Innovation Starter Lab, working with small social enterprises all over the world. I was told by students that you would have more than enough to keep your schedule very busy, and that's definitely been the case, from class extracurriculars to lunch and learns to clubs and social opportunities. There's just so much going on, which is fantastic because I can really tailor my schedule to what I'm interested in and the types of communities I want to seek out here.